Good morning, YouTube. We're out here at Cars and Coffee, Palm Beach. It's a little muggy out, a little rainy out. Obviously starting out with a bang. It's either a bang or a do. Gotta do it. But yeah, let's take a little browse around and walk around and see. Focuses, a whole bunch of Subarus. Whole bunch of Subarus. We rode out here, a little squad.
Yeah. And everyone it passes on the highway. So who's probably going?
Got a whole lineup of S550s and probably, I would say, 13s. He's actually on a tire. He must be hating the rain today. I must have some work. That's just gorgeous.
Usually it's just us. I just picked up another one.
That's pretty.
Roush, first kid Roush. Oh, no way.
So let's hope it clears up throughout the morning. It's over at 12, so we'll see. Like I said, there's a whole lot of Subarus out here.
Back. I'm gonna push it back. That's not good. Do we have to move forward that much?
It's funny because all four of us are perfectly lined up.
I know.
We're perfectly lined up. We're just shorter than them, so they stick out more. Look at that. The sun's coming out, guys. Everybody all cleaned up and wiped down. Now that the sun came out, get a little close up and everything. Ones that we rode out with. Clean, bro. Clean.
Thank you.
Guys, go ahead and follow him on Instagram. S550 Kevin.